Welcome to Redline Review.
Rolls-Royce Motorhome 2026, a luxurious 2026 mobile home. A wonder of luxury and elegance, the Rolls-Royce Motorhome was released in 2026. It was created to offer open-road drivers an unmatched level of comfort and style. Being the ultimate in freedom and adventure, this incredible RV is ideal for individuals who are looking for the best. The structure and the features. The aerodynamic and streamlined design of the Rolls-Royce Motorhome 2026, with LED headlamps and the recognizable Rolls-Royce grille, makes it stand out from the competition. The following are the external dimensions. The external lengths that are offered are 25 feet, 28 feet, and 30 feet. The interior is roomy and has a gross vehicle weight rating (GVWR) of up to 7,000 kilograms. Numerous exterior color palettes and design options. The following facilities are included in the cabin's interior design to offer a remarkable level of comfort and style. The large living space has a sofa and convertible dinette. Additionally included is a fully equipped kitchen with high-end appliances and ample storage space. An opulent bathroom featuring a separate toilet and shower, a cozy bedroom including a king-sized bed and lots of storage. Effectiveness and capabilities, respectively. A 6.6-liter twin-turbo V12 engine powers its 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome. 563 horsepower and 664 pound-feet of torque are produced by this engine. The mobile house has an 8-speed automatic drivetrain with a manual shift position. Fuel efficiency. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is expected to get a combined mileage of 10 to 15 miles per gallon. Human safety and technology. The term ADAS refers to Advanced Driver Assistance Systems. Among the several ADAS features of the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome are the following: adaptive cruise control system with the ability to stop and start, an automated correcting lane departure warning system, an autonomous emergency braking system that warns of impending collisions, a blind spot monitoring system with a rear cross-traffic alarm. Information and entertainment. The following components make up the motorhome's infotainment system. The 12.3-inch touchscreen display may be navigated and voice-activated. The integration of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, respectively. This high-end audio system consists of 20 speakers and three-dimensional sound technology. Availability and cost. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is anticipated to start at about $1.5 million, with costs increasing based on the features and level of personalization selected. Accessibility. It is anticipated that the motorhome will be delivered beginning in the second half of 2026 and available in a number of international locations. To sum up, the Rolls-Royce Motorhome 2026 is a luxurious mobile home that pushes the limits of luxury, refinement, and innovation because of its innovative design. With its potent V12 engine, cutting-edge technologies, and opulent amenities, this RV is ideally positioned to become the epitome of luxury and adventure when traveling on the open road.